Hello everyone. So for our next part of the build, we are gonna be connecting, or we are gonna be building the mechanism, rider mechanism. Alright, and we are gonna start with these. So this is the 3x20 mm screw, and then a washer, 3 mm washer. Alright, and then C5 facing here like so, and then this rod right here or sleeve indicated as number 12, and then we take this out, we put this here, okay, so we need the 3 mm nut on here like so. Then we put this here and we lock it. And this should be free to move. All right. Next step, we will be combining these parts. C14, this spring, or sorry, just number 14, spring, C6, C4, and then the E-ring or E-clip, right? So place this here, and then this one, okay. This hole right here should be on this side, and then we lock it with this one, C4. All right. Okay, I try to press down. Oh, there you go. And we should be able to lock this here. Alright, this is chain. So I'm pressing it down. There you go. Okay. And then our next step, we need this and C10, like this. We put this directly here, like so. Alright. And then we insert it here. other side. Wait. Okay, it should be like this. Right. Okay. This should be lined up. Alright, so in my case, I am using a 3mm screw instead of a grub screw. I just find it more convenient. Okay, here it is. And we're done with the rider mechanism. Okay, next we need to build the shocks, rear shocks, and assemble these two together. Okay. Alright, first step, put the spring on here, and then this one on top, like so. And at the same time, we now need to put this one here. Okay. 3x20 screw. We put here at the bottom. Okay. And then 3mm nut here on the other side. Okay, not too tight, right? 2.6 by 6 screw on here. we're gonna stop here. So what we did so far was we built the rider mechanism, okay, and then we placed these two together, the subframe and the main frame, and that's it. Watch out for my next video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You all have a good day. Please hit the like button.